Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create threads on your server. So I'm just going to create a text channel here first. Just going to type in scary stories, create channel. Then in this channel, I'm just going to select threads and I'll select create thread. I'm going to name the thread the boogeyman, for instance. And then here, you're just going to type in the thread. I'm just going to randomly type something. I'm just going to add it here. And as you can see, you'll be able to see the thread here. You can select view thread and you can add in more to the thread here. And you'll be able to see the full thread by just pressing on that one or up here and going there. And that's how you can create threads on Discord. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye!